Is your Spectrum Xumo box randomly shutting down? Let's troubleshoot. The most common causes are related to sleep mode settings, auto power features, and overheating. Spectrum has released firmware updates to address these issues, but here's a breakdown. Sleep mode activates after inactivity, but software bugs can cause premature shutdowns. Auto power features cycle the device based on signal strength or remote inactivity. Overheating occurs during intensive tasks like 4K streaming, triggering automatic shutdowns as a safety measure. All these factors can interconnect, causing unexpected shutdowns. First, ensure your Xumo box is adequately ventilated and not placed in an enclosed space. First, update your Xumo box to the latest firmware. Go to Settings, System, System Update. Second, adjust your power settings. Disable auto sleep in advanced settings, power management. Third, improve ventilation by placing the box in an open area away from heat sources. If overheating continues, consider Spectrum's newer Q4 model with improved heat dissipation. Finally, test your connections. Use a different HDMI port or cable. Also, check the power source and make sure it is a 12-volt DC adapter. By addressing these common issues, you can significantly reduce unwanted shutdowns and keep your Xumo box running smoothly.